In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert table in Outlook, Email Outlook. We'll start in a web browser and end with a clean, readable table inside your message. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account, then wait for your inbox to load. Once you're in your mailbox, click New Mail. This opens the Compose window on the right or in a new pane. Click in the message box so your cursor is active where you want the table to appear. This tells Outlook to place the table exactly at that spot, which saves you from moving it later. Next, look along the formatting toolbar above the message area. On the far right, select the three dots to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Table. You'll see a small grid appear. Hover your mouse over the grid to preview the size, then select the number of columns and rows you need. For example, 3 columns by 4 rows is great for simple schedules or price lists. Click once, and Outlook inserts the table into your email. Now you can adjust your table. Click inside the first cell and start typing. Press Tab to jump to the next cell, and Shift+Tab to move back. If your text looks cramped, drag the vertical or horizontal borders to resize columns and rows. Keep your columns as narrow as your content allows so the email stays readable on phones. If you need to refine the layout further, use the table options that appear when the table is selected, or right-click inside the table for commands like inserting or deleting rows and columns, merging cells, or choosing a simple style. Aim for high contrast and minimal colors. Heavy shading can make emails harder to read. A few quick tips for clarity. Put your labels in the top row so readers immediately understand the data, align numbers to the right and text to the left, and avoid more than 4 columns for mobile friendliness. If you paste data from a spreadsheet, double-check that the formatting carries over cleanly and adjust widths if necessary. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened a new message, inserted a table from the 3-dot menu, selected your rows and columns, and adjusted the layout to fit your content.